Alright guys, here we go. We're going to be trading with $6, a very small account. Some would say this might be impossible, but that's what we're here to do. We're here to show you that it is possible to trade with only $6. And to start off on day one here, we're going to be playing a SPY put, a $3.97 strike price, which is quite a bit out of the money, but you don't really have a choice when you're playing with such a small account. And you're gonna see this is all pre-recorded, so throughout this video you're gonna see the option popping up at the bottom of the screen, and you can kind of see the value and where we're at with profit or not. And the goal of this is gonna be to get out within an hour if possible, considering the stock is moving pretty good in a downward direction. And I personally think it's been very weak throughout the day. Tesla has dropped, Apple has dumped. So I think it's very weak today. And you can see that I have a red line at about $400.50 on the SPY. And you would think it would be at 400, although 400 is a good key level. From my charts and from what I've analyzed and what I see, $400.50 is a very big level. The last time that we tapped it, we shot back up a few dollars. That being said, this is a same day, a 0-day expiration for this $3.97 put that we have. So basically, by the end of the day, if this hasn't hit the strike price of $3.97, which you can see at the top of the video, then it's going to be worthless. So I do not think it's going to hit that strike price, but I do think that we're going to drop through that red line that I have. It just seems like this thing's been propped up. So, and the next key level I have is at around 398. So if we do break through this level that we're currently at, I think there's a good chance it'll come down and at least tap that 398. And with all this being said, you're gonna see where we end up. But it's definitely possible to trade with a small account. It's just very difficult. I mean, the risk to reward, meaning let's say the $6, the odds of making money off that $6 are going to be very slim, because the price would have to move very quickly, and that can happen, and you can wait for opportunities. But if you're trying to day trade it every single day, with $6 is going to be very difficult. So luckily today we do see a decline, and you can see as it starts to break through that level that I have on my chart, I'm going to start to be more confident in holding this short term over the next half hour or so, because as I've said, we see a lot of downward movement right now, and breaking that level gives me confidence. Although we could see it come back up, tap that, but I do see a downward direction at this point in the day. But it is starting to dump now, so I think it would be wise to kind of hold and see where we end up before we sell. Right there you can see the option chain, kind of see what the prices we're going for. And I mean, we're dropping. I mean, we're near 50 cents below 400. So this is great for us. If we can see a little bit more movement, we're going to get out of here. I mean, already up 100%, which this is great. And this has really got me thinking I need to get ready to get out of here. And you can see it's closed in on that 398. But I don't know what this thing is going to do. And the price is going to start going all over the place, considering we're closer to the end of the day. And there it is. We are up pretty big from that $6. I think this is going to be the point at which I need to take profit, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. We're going to take that even 20 there and it does not get filled right away, but we give it a second and we kind of get lucky and it fills for that $20 price range. And we take a look at the option $397 put price, and you can see we sold there at 20. So we did fantastic, got out, made $14 profit. And we'll see you guys on day 2. Bye.